These this one, the top, center, bottom is the vertical alignment, right? Vertical alignment, like that. Here, this is the left, center, right. The horizontal alignment. Okay, horizontal alignment. So the using this vertical and horizontal alignment, you can place the text within the box, so within the table cells in the 9 positions. Mostly the marks and everything we can set vertically and horizontally center. So you can select this one, vertically and horizontally center. This one vertically center but horizontally left. Right? So here we can apply this one, the first row, vertically and horizontally center. So I click this one. Now actually this is the header row, no? And this data vertically and horizontally center. And these two data left and center. And these data both are center. This is the both are center, vertical and horizontal alignment. That's your choice. Your choice. Your like. Okay. Or your wish. So here I am placed the name and address horizontally left side and vertically center. And others number mark cells are both horizontally and vertically center. Right? Okay. And if you want to insert one column between the address and marks or maths marks and science marks, we can add, right? When you mouse over between these two border here, this one border of the number and name, the plus shape. When you click this plus shape, one new column will be added. Like that, whenever you can insert a new column anywhere. If you want to add one column between the address and the maths marks column, you can click this one. Now one blank column will be inserted. Right? Otherwise, another method, you can place your mouse pointer and place the mouse pointer here, the maths marks. Right? My plan is new column will be inserted between address and marks, right? So I place the mouse pointer in the maths marks column. And within the layout, one option here, 4 options, delete, insert above, insert below, insert left and insert right, right? If you have here, 4 insert options. These insert option to create a new row. This one create a new column. Right? If you are selecting one in the table, if you are selecting point of the cursor in one column, that's mean the particular column is active. If you select this insert left, one new blank column will be inserted left side of the selected column. That's mean here. If you select right, insert right, the new blank column will be inserted left side of the selected column here. Like that, if you are selecting one row, okay, your mouse pointer wherever in the row, right? Now that's mean the particular row is selected. If you select insert above means insert a new row above the selected row here. And the next one, insert below. When you click this option, they automatically insert one new blank row bottom of the selected cell. So using this 4 option, you can insert a new blank column or blank row, right? So now I am placed the cursor in the match marks. And if you want to insert between the address and match marks, so you want to insert one new column before the match marks, no? So click this one in, right, sorry, before, not before the left side. Insert left, one new blank column will be inserted, right? Otherwise, when you right click on the cell, here insert, the 4 options are there. You can insert column to the left or right, insert row above or below. In our case, the left side, the particular new column will be inserted before the selected cell, selected column. Okay, now if you want to insert one row, you can use these 2 options, or otherwise when you mouse over in your row border, the plus mark will appear. Using this plus marks, click the now new column, sorry, new row will be inserted. If you want to add, if you want to create a new row, end of the table, right? Using this tool, you can insert a new row end of the table, right? Otherwise, you can select here the insert below, row will be inserted. Otherwise, another method, the point out your cursor in the last cell and press tab key from your keyboard. Tab key from your keyboard. One new row will be inserted. Right? Okay. Now, I will insert one and 2 columns after the science marks. So click here, plus again, plus 2 column will be this English. Right. And here this 2 cell data not align as center like this. Using the layout, you can place this value in center of the cell. Okay, right. So now your table fill with the page width, right? Now I want to divide this number of students, 7 numbers, first 4 students are group 1 and next 3 students are group 2. Okay, now I want to insert a new column from between this here. I click here and now one column will be inserted. I am giving the name of the title, the name of the title of the column group, right? And place the text between the center of the cell, right? And here I want to mark up to these 4 students as group 1 and next 3 students group 2. So we can merge this number of 4 number of cell as one cell. So now first we want to select first the collection of cells. Now I am selecting 4 cell and click the merge option available in the layout menu. Here merge cell, right? Merge cell. Or otherwise right click on this here, the merge cell. Both are same. You can choose any method, the easy method, right? Right click, then select the merge cell. Otherwise, in your layout menu, one option merge, right? First select the content and click this merge. This merge. Now these cells are as one cell. Change as one cell. Merge as one cell. And select other 3 options, 3 cells, and click again this cell. Now these 3 values are in one cell, the merge as one. And here group 1, GROUP1, group 1, and this one group 2. And we can place this group and 2 in the center of the cell. It's in this one. So you can merge your cells as one cell. Okay, and right. Now I want to using this the shading within the design. Using this design, you can shade or change the border styles. Okay, so already you have some default styles designed by Microsoft Word. These are the predefined. You can choose any style from this list. Otherwise, you can select or you can format your table as your own wish, your own design, right? Okay, these are the predefined. When you click this one, this particular style will be applied here. The style applied the background colors and border colors, everything, right? So if you want to design yourself, select first the column and using this shading color, you can put the shading color, different shading colors, right? Click on it. Now the particular cell background shaded with the selected color. Shading color, this one, the shading color. Using this shading color, you can choose anyone. First, you want to select the content, the color cell. After that, you can, using this shading option, you can fill background color. And here, these are the border thick, the border style, and border thickness, and the color, right? So now I select another style of the line, double line, and the thickness and the color. You can select the different color and click here. Now I am selecting the cursor, not selected for all the table. I am placed the mouse pointer within the cell, this cell. So when you apply this one, the particular line only selected, the right side only, left side only, the top only, or around the side. Otherwise, you can use like this. Select the entire table and click borders around the table, or all lines, all borders, or right side, or left side, or top side. Okay. Otherwise, you can select the border. Now one selected, and using this border paint, click and drag your border, the particular border change with your selected line style. Okay. Only outline you can select. In your own style, you can select the formatting. You can put the background color, or border style, or border color, or border thickness using this design view, design option. Okay. When you click this border painter, mouse pointer change this border painter option. If you want to release this option, you can click this one, or otherwise press the escape key from your keyboard. Automatically, the particular active command will be released. Right. Now I want to insert total and average column after the end of the column. So using this tool, we can insert more columns here. This is for the total, and this is for the average. But the width of the table not enough. Okay. So how to arrange this data? How can I arrange this data? So these we can reduce the column width. Okay. And here we can reduce the marks, but the column, the title is high. So we can change this title to the direction. So normally when you are typing any text within the table, normally the text left to right. When you type here M Raja, so here typing all letters left to right. But we can change these column headers and the layout. These are the direction. So normally left to right. When you click this one, the direction of the selected cell text top to bottom. Again, click on this same button. Now changes bottom to top. Okay. So these three direction, left to right, top to bottom, bottom to top, three directions are switched. Okay. When you click this one, three options are swapping. Right now I am selecting this style. Now we can reduce more. So the total average. And we can select, set this text as enter. Okay. Right. Now, we can calculate the total of these marks using calculator or anything, and you can enter here. But using Excel, another one of this collection Excel, we can easily find the calculation because the Excel specially designed for the calculation purpose. These type of calculation, we can write some formula using the Excel, and then we can try. For example, if you write, if you want to find the total and average, you want to write the formula to find the total for these marks here, and then click and drag every row. So the row now maybe more than 100 or more than 1,000. Click and drag, every row will be calculated. But here, using a Word, we can calculate, but not like the Excel. We can calculate the particular row or particular column data only. If you want to apply multiple rows or multiple columns, you want to write again and again. So using this formula here, the word table have one formula. Using this formula, you can calculate one or two column calculation or row calculation. If you have more row calculation or column calculation, that's the Excel. MS Excel is better. MS Excel is better. Right? Actually, here also we have 7 students data. So we can try to find this total and average using the formula. That's okay because it's a small number of students. Right? Okay, now I will explain how to find the items or total average using the formula. First, I'm putting the mouse pointer. I place this mouse pointer the center of the cell. Okay. Now I point out the cursor in the total of the president and go to formula. And here the formula dialog box will be appear. Using this dialog box, you can calculate. Here the default, the formula will default some function is active, and you can choose different functions here. Average or so many functions are there. You can choose from here. The So we can consider this first column is A. We can give the label. The second column B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. And the row numbers, first row is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now you want to calculate this, you want to find the summation of these 4 numbers, no? These 4 numbers, that means the cell content E1, this one E1, this one F1, G1, H1. Sorry, this first row I'm errorly entered because actually this one starting from 1, not 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's the. So this one E2, no? E2, F2. Sorry. E2, H2. So we want to calculate the E2 cell content plus F2 plus G2 plus H2. So we can use here within the sum function, delete this left and E2, comma F2, comma G2, comma H2. So no need to put the capital symbol, no, maybe small or capital. That's no problem, right? So find the summation of these the 4 cells. Click OK. Now you can find this. This is the summation of these 4 numbers, right? If you want to find here these 4 numbers, so we can find you point out the cursor here and click formula and sum not above here E3, comma F3, comma G3, comma H3, right? Here the E3, F3, G3 all are continuous cell. So we can use this all list as like this column. That's mean the cell content E3 to H3. The system automatically taken the list of cell from E3 to H3 all cell. That's maybe equals. Right, like that you can find the average. Point out the cursor here. Right, point out the cursor here. And go to formula. And now we want to find the average. So delete the sum, but starting all formula starting with equal, write okay equal, and then select the average. Within the average, you want to find the average between. So these 4 values, that means E2 to H2. So E2 to H2. Right, find the average, the cell contained from E2 to H2. Click OK. This is the average of these 4. Like this, you want to calculate 1 by 1. So actually, this formula is more suitable in the using here, suitable for the word. So 1 or 2 calculation. The same calculation repeated number of values or number of rows or number of columns, the Excel is better, right? But you know the calculation or formula or using the formula available also. Okay. Here we can find the average of this maths marks. Are the numerical value there? Okay, and click OK. This is the find average. Right? Okay, so using this formula, you can find the calculation. You can find any calculation. And right. Yeah. Okay. Right. I will again repeat this to find the average. Here, if you want to find the average for this, average means this, find the average for this set of marks, no? This set of marks. Find the average for this, and here this will, this A, B, C, D, E, F like that. Here this E, 1, 2 up to 8. So this one E2 and this one E3 like that. This one E8. So here we want to write the function average, okay, from E2 to E8 second. Otherwise we can use average within the bracket. Here we can use above, because all above data are numerical data. Then this header, automatically the text values are omitted for this calculation. Okay, so you can use average above also. No need to find or put the cell address, because all above details, the marks value only are the numerical value. Okay. Now I place the cursor here. Point out the cursor here and go to formula, and first I will put the equation E2 to E8, right? E2 to E8, and click OK. Now this is the average. So sorry, I'm setting some, no? Select formula, and here you want to delete this formula and select average. First put the equal sign and then the average. Here E2 to E8. Click OK. Now this is the average of this cell. Like that we can use again formula and delete this sum, and here select average. Here we can use above also. Above. Okay, click OK. Right. So using this both method, you can find the calculation. Right. Okay. Now okay. Now we can divide this table as two tables. Actually, now this table in one table. You can split this table. Okay. Using first mouse select the row Otherwise, point out the cursor where you want to split. Now I plan to split the first group students in one table, and second group is the another table, right? So I am placing the mouse pointer in the first row of the second table and go to layout, and here the split table. Now these are both different two tables, but you want to insert the column again. Right? So using this split table, you can split the table as two tables. And like that, if you merge these three cells as one cell, select merge. Now this one cell. After that, using this split cell, you can divide number of cell. Using the merge, you can merge as one cell. The split cell, you can split one cell as number of cell. Click this one. The dialog box will asking the number of columns, divided number of columns and 3, and rows 1. Click OK. Now the one cell divided 3 column and 1 row. Okay, whenever you can divide the cell as number of cell, or you can merge number of cell as one cell. Okay. If you want to select entire table, using the right left hand top corner, one mark there. When you click this mark, entire table will be selected. Okay. Using this marker, you can move this table anywhere. Okay. So using this tool, you can move the table anywhere. Sometimes if you want to divide some data as separate table, you can select the data. Okay. Copy, right click, copy the data, and then point out the cursor here, then paste. Paste as text to the same formatting, and this one. Now this the same table copied, paste above the set. So you can click remove the table from here. Okay. So now we will copy the part of the column content from copy and paste, and then you when you paste the table show above the previous table. So after that you can click and drag here, right? Here I will explain one more. Right. This is one paragraph, right? So you can place this table, move using this table. You can place this table within the paragraph, right? The paragraph automatically arranged with the content. So you can place any table, but the paragraph automatically splitting. The when you work on a table, click where you want this table, this content continue after the table. So automatically split the content, right? Sometimes this table, when you place them on table show place first page to last page, automatically go first page to last page. In this case, right click on the table and table property, and here the around must be selected. When you select the none, the place, and so the table cannot move freely. When you move the table automatically go to different place. Sometimes go the first line or last line. So when you select the around, the text wrapping as around, the table easily or freely move anywhere in the table, in the page. The table placed anywhere. Okay. Right. If you want to delete this table, select the table and press delete key from the keyboard. What happened? The normal style, when you select any object, that's maybe text or paragraph or any images or anything, select the object and then delete the key from the keyboard, the content automatically deleted. But now I am clicking the delete key, but the contents only deleted, table not delete. How will it delete this table? Now I am selecting this one and click again to delete. No. So within the table, when you select the table and click the delete key, that's mean that using the delete key, we can delete only the table content. So using the delete key, we can't delete the table. So if you want to delete the table, select the table, okay, and click backspace. You have the backspace key available above the enter key in the keyboard. When you click this the backspace, now table will be deleted. So if you want to delete any table, so you must select the backspace. Otherwise, when you delete key, only the content are deleted, right? Otherwise, select the table and go to layout. Here, the delete cell, delete column, or delete row, and delete table. Using the delete table, you can delete in the table data. Right, that's the table. So now this is the assignment 5. Using this today's lesson, you can do this table, this first table and second table also. You can mark this the cross line using this point out the cursor here and go to the design, and here design, and here using this option. Oh, and here you can use this cross line. Okay, right. This is one method to create table using insert table. Using this, we can create table and we can manage table content. Okay. And another method to insert or create table, here the second method is insert table option. This is also available in the table drop down or table list. First, I explain about how to table using this tool, automatic tool. Using this tool, when you click this insert table, the insert table dialog box will appear. Using this insert table dialog box, we can set number of columns and number of rows. How many number of rows you want and how many number of columns. So I am placed the 5 columns and 20 rows. This setting will be created 5 columns and 20 rows table. And here the auto fit behavior, that's for the auto fit, the column width. The first one, fixed column width. You can decide the all 5 column width. Now this table will be created using 5 column and 20 rows. A column with 1 inches, right? The fixed column. When you click auto, so automatically the system have one default value. Using this default width, create the table. And this one, second one, auto fit to content, that means when you create this table, right? The text like this, when you type the content, automatically expand the cell. So this type of inserting table, the column widths are deciding with your entering text or entering contents, right? And third one, the auto fit window, the 5 columns and 20 rows are fitted with your window. When you click this one, the table width fitted with your content. Right? So using this, you can create a table. After that, you can manage this table like above table. Right? And another method to create table, again go to table, and this one, the second method to create table, and third one, draw table. Right? When you click this draw table, your mouse pointer change like pencil. Your mouse pointer change like this pencil. Click and drag to first create the outline of the table. Right? You can select the border style and everything using the design we already explained. Okay. The selected border style, thickness and color. First create the outline of the table, and then you can draw column. These are the column. Okay, and these are the row. can decide your row and column. Can row. Right. If you select any other style of the line and color of the line, and when you can create any. So everyone after creating table, you want to click escape key automatically inactive. This everyone are cell table cell. Okay. So using this the drawing table, the row table option also, you can create table. Row table option, you can create a table or you can draw a table. So using these three methods, you can create tables and then you can manage the table. You can manage fields. You can format the table with background color and border style, and you can enter and manage the contents text or table contents, and also you can use the formula to find any calculation. So now this the fifth assignment you can do. Here the border and header and footer. The last class covered this header and footer. Using the last class session, you can do this header and footer. And this is the table, and this is also table. Here you want to find the total using the formula to all column. The total column you want to fill, and average column also you want to fill, and here also you want to fill. And draw this table by draw table command. The draw table, using the draw table command, you want to draw like this. This is also table. Actually, this one is the graphics mistake or anything. This is actually the zigzag line, dotted line and zigzag line, the border of the table. You can draw this table and change the line styles and the shading for these three cells. You can do, and this is the footer. So this assignment, the fifth assignment you can do, right? Right. Now we will move another important tools available in Word. Right? Available in Word. Right. Now we will learn about tabs. The Word have capacity to giving the space. That's mean the tab. Right? The ruler, the vertical and cross in the section of the vertical and horizontal ruler have one square, white square here. Here, every time click first. Now left tab, right? Then when you click the again here, this the right tab. Again click on this tool, tab. Again click on the decimal tab. Again click on this bar tab. So 5 different tabs are there. Using this tab, we can place the tab position in your horizontal ruler. This is the horizontal ruler. Okay. If you place the tab, left tab here, when you click the tab key from the keyboard, cursor here, you can type like this and entering here. So you can observe the left side aligned, but right side not aligned. If you place the right tab when you type the text, right side are aligned, but left side not aligned. If you place center tab, the text are aligned as center. Like that, the decimal tab, the decimal values, example, 4.0, 450.67, 1200.678. So this decimal value are aligned. Bar tab means the vertical bar will be placed between the content. So using these 5 different tabs, you can place the tab, right? I will explain now. Right, now I place the text here. Now the left tab available. So when you click on the ruler, one left tab placed. And here I changed the tab as center. So here I place center tab and click again here right tab. Like that, you can click next one the select the decimal tab and next one bar tab. So the 5 different tabs. When you press the tab key, the cursor go to first tab position. You can type anything on and then click center, and then click on go to third tab position, and again click in the new line and here. So you can observe when you place the left tab, the all text aligned on the left tab left aligned. Here this is the left, so left aligned, and this is center and center aligned. This is right aligned. Okay. So using this tab, we can place the tab positions, and we can manage these set of text and this text set of text and in one line. Without tab, we can't fit these 3 contents in one same line. Another application of text, if we prepare application form, if you want to remove the tab, click and drag downside, the particular tab will be deleted. Here, click and drag, deleted. So we can delete the tab using this tab position. You can drag downside. Okay. Right. Right. Now I place one left tab here and now the R tab is active. I place the left tab here and here left tab, another left tab here, and right, 2 tabs are there. Click on the tab key. Now first go to here, the name, and again tab key, colon, and then name, address, yeah, date of birth, yeah, telephone number, okay. So this the colon, double colon aligned, and this first line or the first line are also aligned in left alignment. Here I place left tab, so left line align, and here another left tab there. So you can, when you click the tab key, automatically go to the cursor pointer, the tab position, and we can place, using this tab, we can place the colon in one line. After that, select this text and we can move. We can move this tab position in your place. You can rearrange the position. So using this tab, you can arrange your content, page content in your space. I delete, yeah. I will explain another application using the tab. Now I place here one tab, left tab, and here I place another tab, and here another tab, and here another tab. All are left tabs. So I place the 4 tabs, 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs in the ruler, right? And double click on any tab. Now, when you mouse over on the tab, the comment will be appear, the particular tab in left tab. Okay. On the time, double click on it, the tab dialog box will appear. You here these are the tab position. 4 tab positions are there. First tab, this one, and this one second tab, and this one third tab, and this one fourth tab, this one last one. Every tab, all tabs are left tab. So you can change the tab position or tab here. Which tab? The all are left tab. So everyone left tab. If you want to change, you can select and click this one. Now, and then click OK. The particular tab change as center tab. Okay. I place left tab. Okay. And the leader line, I want to place the leader line between 1 and 2, right? I want to insert a leader line between 1 and Okay. This is the leader line. So this particular leader line apply between first and second and third and fourth. So if you want to remove this leader line, select again and select the tab here. Double click on the tab here and apply to leader line first and second up to second total line. I remove this one. Okay, and click OK, set and OK. Now remove the leader line between first and second, but third and fourth available. After that, we can decide, select and all things, select all thing, and we can rearrange the tab positions using this tab key. Okay, so we can set the leader line using the tab. Otherwise, when you type the dotted line, the dotted line not aligned. When you put the dotted line for this line manually, that's not good because the alignment of both sides are not equal. The not align the text or align the dotted line. It's easy to put line, create any application form. Yeah. Right. I will explain. Yeah. Here, I will explain again. Here, actually, the leader line is the dotted line up to the particular tab. So here, we can place one tab here, and one tab here, and one tab here, and one tab here, and one tab here. Here, you want to put left tab because left sign align. Here, you want to add left tab. You must, because all lines are left aligned, no? Here also, you must put the left align because the alignment is left. But here, and here, you can use any tab because this is the end of this is only one character. This is the end line. Okay, and leader line means when you set leader line in the second, this is the first marker, this is the second marker, this is the fourth, third, and this one fourth and fifth, right? If you select second marker and leader line, when you press the tab key, the leader style will be applied rest of the text here, end of the typing here. When you type key, automatically go here. You already set the leader marker for up to second tab, so already filled. Like that here, the leader marker between 3 and 4. So up to 4. So you want to select the fourth tab and put the leader line. So you can do this setup, right? I will explain again and about leader line using the word. Right? Okay, I place one pointer here, tab key, and another tab key, and another one. So here, first this is the first tab position, the second tab position, and the third tab and fourth tab. So I am deciding to enter or preparing one application for. First, the description, and here we want to put the border. We can first app name, and then press the key here and colon, and then from here we can put dot manually, but difficult to end like here. The alignment is difficult. So in this case, we can use the leader line, right? So here leader line want to place up between third and fourth. That means the leader line up to fourth tab. Okay, so double click on the tab here, first, second, third, fourth. We want to place the leader line between third and fourth. So between the third and fourth, you want to put the leader line up to fourth. So select the fourth tab and select the leader line and click set, and then OK. Now we can type anything here, and tab key, go to second tab and place any character, and then go to third line. So if now I am pressing the tab key, the leader line will appear, because already said the leader line up from third to fourth. Okay, and then again go to first and put here leader line. You can if you type anything here and then press tab, the balance part will be the leader line. Whenever you can use this leader line may be dot or dash or underscore. Okay. So using this tab and leader lines, you can prepare this set of content. Okay, now we will move another option in the Word. First, we learn about how to create table and how to manage table. Second, we learn about how to set the tab to 5 different tabs, and how to use effectively the tabs with the leader line. And third one, insert shape, right? I will explain how to insert shape. Here, so many shapes are here under the insert and the shape. These are the recently used shape, and lines with arrows and rectangle, basic shape, and everything. If you want to apply one rectangle, square rectangle, click this one and you can draw any rectangle, right? Again, go to insert and auto shape. You can draw any shape using this. And insert under the shape, and you can draw any arrow shape. Here, so many shapes are there, arrow shape. And here, so many shapes. You can draw any star and insert shape, and call out shape also. You can choose one call out shape. Okay. So using this insert auto shape, so many shapes are here. You can draw any shape. When you select the shape have 8 nodes, and +1 rotate node, right? Using this 8 node, we can increase or decrease the width using this, and using this, we can height. And so this 1, 2, 3, 4, using these 4 node, we can increase or decrease the width or height. And using the corner node, we can increase or decrease the width and height in parallel. Okay. So when you select everyone, here also 8 node available, here also 8 node available. And when you click this on the rotate option, click and drag, you can rotate your object and you can place any angle. Okay. Like this, everyone have the rotate link. With this link, here when I click this shape, the yellow node also available. Using this yellow node, we can change the shape. Okay. Here, when you select this one, here 4 yellow nodes. Using this yellow node, you can change this shape, and using this one, you can change this one. Okay. And using this one, you can choose this one. And using this one, you can choose this one. So every shape depend on the shape editing marker varies from the shape to shape. Here, using this, you can either you can use you can change the shape, and here using this you can select the shape, right? Also, you can type any text within the box. Right click and add text. You can type any contents within the automatically fit all contents within the shape. And here also we can add, and everything we can add. Automatically fit the content within the shape. And here also, okay. And using this the font style and size under the home, you can choose any font style, size, and colors also you can change. This font styles we can apply for this, right? And the fill color, select the option and go to format. Actually, this format ribbon only for the drawing tool, this drawing tool. Okay. Here the more styles, default styles are here. Using this default style, you can apply any style. Otherwise, you can decide yourself using this shape fill tool. Using this shape fill, you can apply different background colors or background pictures. You can select any background pictures from your system or Bing image or your drive, cloud drive, right? I am selecting from my computer, so select from file and click the image. Click the image, select the image, click insert. Now the particular image fit with the background. Like this, we can set here also. Select and fill color and picture, and from file you can select any style and click insert. The shape will be inserted. Okay, the background. So the background you can select using the format. Now the another additional tool format, the two format options, one for drawing and one for image. They already apply the image. So using the format, you can apply the image formatting, the brightness, contrast. I will explain about the image formatting later when I explaining the how to input image. Now we are studying the drawing tool, no? So we will learn only about the drawing tool. Next class, I will explain about how to format this image formatting. So we are studying the drawing tool now. That means the autosave. So using this fill, you can fill the gradient color also, and the texture fill also you can apply in texture fill, right? So using the fill color, you can apply any fill color options. And then this is the outline. We can select the outline color and the thickness of the outline. You can select and the style of the outline. You can select, right? And also you can apply the effects. Actually, I rotate this one and using this one preset, we can apply. I place here so that we can easily watch different styles. They are okay. 3D styles and shadow. We can put the shadow style, and we can put the reflection and glow effect, right? And soft edge and bevel shape and 3D rotation, right? So using these, we can draw and format the shape. These all setting we will apply for all the shape. This may be this one or anything. We can apply this all shape and outline and shape effect for all the shapes, right? All the same. And another tools, the insert, the word art. Okay, like this shape, you can draw any shapes, and using this word art, you can create word art text. First, select the style of the word art, and then type the text. Faculty of Agriculture. Right? And you can increase or decrease the size using this. Okay? And go to format these drawing form tools. Here, these are the shape, and these styles for text formatting. Using the text fill, you can select the background color of the text, right? And gradient, you can apply gradient colors to this, right? And this is text outline colors. You can decide outline color for the text. And weight, you can decide the weight of the outline. Okay, and these are the text effects. Here, shadow, we can put shadow style for this. Okay, and reflection style and glow and bevel shape right? And the rotation, you can rotate the text. Or transform. Transform means you can set this style. Okay, I select this one, this shape, and using this formatting, this text effect, you can apply these all the effects, and you can choose your style from this list. Everyone's styles are different, so you can apply any style from your wish, right? Okay, now the sixth assignment, you can do this, and this one you can use the auto shape, and actually this is the table, and this is the auto shape and the word art. Okay, now these assignments also you can do. Assignment 6, right? Assignment 6. Today I will upload this to the video, class session video, and these two assignment, right? 5 and 6. Please complete this assignment. I will give the deadline. Please give do this assignment yourself and then submit the assignment. After finishing this the word session, I will give one class for your discussion. After this word class covered around 10 to 12 assignments. After completing this 12 assignment, I arrange in class or practical session, 2 hours practical session for your discussion. Sometimes some of you are facing any problem to do the particular content or particular assignment. I think now you have the video, session video. All the session videos available in our LMS. You can download or you can learn again and again. So no problem to learn. No problem on the assignment. All assignment contents I explain on the particular session. So if you are doubt anyone in the particular practical, please replay the videos again and again. Sometimes the particular content not appear or you are facing any problem, please note. And on the particular class, I will give time for your discussion. Anybody you can do or you can ask question. I will explain again the particular part. After that session, I will give one assignment, 1 hour assignment. That will be marked. This assignment not marked, but you complete all the assignment. You must complete, right? Without this complete the assignment, you can't sit the final exam, right? In earlier in the physical class, every the 2 hour session, first 1 hour session I will explain, and then 1 hour session I will give the assignment. The students must complete the assignment within the time in the laboratory. They will collect their assignment files in their computer. After finishing the session, they will give all the files to me, right? Sometimes if not complete the particular assignment in the 1 hour cap, you can do the particular assignment in your free time, and they must complete all 12 assignments. Without the 12 assignment, you can't allow the examination, right? But not given the marks for that. That's your assignment. You must complete all 12 assignments. But after that, after learning the 12 assignment and discussion class, I will give one assignment sheet, 1 or 2 hours. You must complete, and I will put the marks. You know, our marks how to set the marks. Is the marks provided? The assignment 1, I will give the assignment. According to your assignment sheet, I will put marks out of 10. Like that, you have 3 assignments during the course period. This is actually in-course assessment. So you can earn 30 marks at the or during the course period. End of the time, you want to face one practical exam, and using this marks ratio is the final marks. Okay, so every session after completing a word, I will give 1 assignment. After completing the PowerPoint, I will give 1 assignment, and after completing internet and everything, after 1 assignment. So after 3 assignments, you can get 30 marks, right? Okay. Okay, day enough. I will finish this session. So if you have any doubt, please ask. If you have any difficulty to do this assignment, please rewind this video or replay this video and learn. If you have any problem again, please note that in the discussion class, you can ask. Otherwise, today's session, if you have any doubt or anything, you can ask now. So the time the class is finished, right? So if you have any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, other one you can leave. Others you can leave. I'm waiting 1 or 2 minutes for your discussion. Others you can leave. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. I have one doubt.
Thank you, sir.
No, thank you. Yeah, I think no any problem. So thank you to you all.